can send the code directly to the portal and you can deploy it. That is the use of published profile. Okay. So what I'll be doing it, just copy it. I'm worried I can click this and then it'll start rotating, then what will happen? Shall I take the risk? Let's take. No, good. Okay, so what to do this time? You have to copy here, dear. Okay, copy all file. Don't copy only the HTML. You guys are able to see. Like entire screen is coming. Clear, no? Like this. Can you see this? Okay, very good. Okay, good. So what to do? Copy it from here, dear. Okay, somewhere we copy it. Okay, after copying, what will happen here? You have to paste it. Simple. Okay, just paste it. So you wanted to paste it here, yes. So all the file will get copied to your root folder. That means website. Once it is copied, you are getting success message. Close this. Go there and try to browse. Your website will up and run. That is simplest way. But there is rarest case. People are not doing this. Only rarest case. Out of 99%, sorry, out of 100%, only 1% guys will perform this. Okay, I'll tell you why. The reason for that also. Okay, sorry to interrupt. I have clicked on synchronize. What happens, sir? Where you have clicked on the synchronize here? Which place? You clicked on here or you clicked on the app? Chandrasekhar, here. That's not a problem then. Nothing will happen. So it will get updated. Synchronize means it will get updated with your folder. That's all. Nothing will happen. Don't worry at all. Okay. Just upload this code in the left hand side and try to upload in the right hand side. That will come. Okay. Perfect. Okay. It will come, dear. Don't worry. I'm idle now. Okay, let it get loaded completely. Okay, no? Let it get loaded completely. So it will try to upload all the files from here. Okay, everything will try to upload it. That whole folder, but nothing is showing up the website. It will come, dear. You might have not loaded completely. Let's see. Don't worry. Let me check it out from mine. Okay. So it's over. Now you have copied it. Well done. Everything is done. So let me come here and try to go to browse. Oh, yes. This is issue actually we guys are facing. Okay. Let me take this out website thing. Okay. Actually, yesterday evening team has got it. So they actually got surprised by seeing this message. They thought this is something happened to the website. Okay, it's a good thing that we got. Okay, so basically say that deceptive site. Actually, we were not getting this before. Now it is coming up. So it says that it is giving the alert. Okay, do you want it to go it and move ahead or back to safety? Okay, so you wanted to move ahead. If you want, you can go or you can go back also. It's not a problem. Okay, what to do? Let me go back with safety. Okay, and let me come back to my website once again. Okay, so that means there is some issues with the code that we are having it. Okay, so let's go here. Try to log in one more time. Go back to your app services. Go to here. Try to copy the path. Copy the path and let me try to open another website, another browser. Can you see? Okay. So you could be able to get this part, buddy. Right now? So your website is completely responsive, similar. Like this is a real-time website, right? This is how it look like now. So can someone please go and copy and see this in your web browser? Can someone please try and see? This should not be applicable to me. It's a public one. It's a real kind of thing. Can someone please do it? Just try to and browse it. Yes, I sent out Washim. Can you just have a look? This will work for everyone. Yeah. Fine then. Okay, good. Good. Okay, see, if it is the same issues, no message, no same message. Okay, no, fine. If it is the same issues is coming up, buddy, please go and copy the website and go and open in some other website. Okay, it says that there might be the attacker for the Chrome. Okay, try to go with the Mozilla, try to go with others. It will work. It's not an issue with the code. It's not an issue with your portal also. Okay, fine. You can go and make that, buddy. Okay, just try to do with the red color screen. If it is a red color screen coming, no, same thing. Try to go and open in some other website, A's and others. Okay, it'll work. Don't worry. Okay, where the code? See, buddy, where the code is stored in the portal? Can someone show in this once? Okay, please see, understand, please. Have a look here. Let me come to here. So, dear, now this is your website, right? Okay, I mean, this is a portal account. If you come back here, okay, you have a deployment center configuration and others part are there. Okay, so what you did already, let it complete it first. See the source code, whatever you have it. Okay, so from the organization, which organization you want, so you can able to see this source code over from here. Okay, but again, there's no point of getting a source code from the portal account. Okay, because this is just, we are pushing it directly. We are not going with the pipeline. We haven't deployed with release pipeline, build pipeline. We haven't done it. Okay, that is the first medium. That is a optional one. You know why? The reason for that, why we are doing this, understand? But build pipeline, release pipeline would be done by whom? Build pipeline and release pipeline would be done by whom, dear? Yep. Anyway, any web browser is working, that's fine. Okay, it would be done by the DevOps, right? Good. So if that would be done by the DevOps, let's see, imagine that today overnight, 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, any developer is working. Client got some issues. Okay, client got some issues. Okay, now we don't have any DevOps guys to deploy the code. So what will happen? Client cannot wait for that. Okay, so in worst case, if any developer has to deploy their code without the help of DevOps guys, what will they do? They'll not wait, right? So they'll go with a published profile and then can upload it and they can make the use of the client. See, be happy, it's already working. Tomorrow, whenever the DevOps guys will come, we'll try to ask you to go with the proper updates. Okay, this is just for emergency guys. Okay, real time people are not using it, it seems. Okay, now understand what is the assignment for the day. Okay, please understand your assignment. You all have to, okay, assignment for the day, you all have to create a website and try to deploy the website with the help of app service means website only. Okay, app service website only with the help two ways, publish profile or pipeline. Okay, with the help of publish profile, that you have to do. I want everyone to do it. Okay, and send it to the screenshot like this. This website, how we got it, no? Send the screenshot like this. Okay, I think you guys can do it. Okay, I already shared the steps also to you yesterday class. I'm like, today I have said it. Try to follow that and let me know if you have any issues or any concern. Okay, fine. That is first part is over. Now the main real game of the DevOps has started now. Understand? What is the real game is? Now, real game is what? Understand. This is the real game that we have to do it now. Understand. Usually what happens in the real time, how it works, buddy. Here it come. Real time, how it comes, buddy. Okay, how it comes is, have a look here. This is your page. This is your project, right? If this is your project here, okay, you'll have a Azure repo. Either I'll tell you different ways, but I'll go one by one. First, I'll try to create a website with the help of Azure repo. Then tomorrow, some other day, I'll try to tell you how to create a website with the help of Docker container. Then after that, I'll tell you how to create a website with the help of Kubernetes. How to go with the help of your GitHub. Then next day, I'll tell you some other day for YAML scripting. So different ways are there. That is the different life cycle of DevOps. We have to work on these areas only. Got it? We have to work on these areas only. Sorry. Okay. So we have to work on those areas only, not more than that. Okay. You want that, or I'll finish it then? Okay. So you need to work on those areas. Clear, no? Very good. Now next, what you have to do, buddy? Let me understand. Now my project is ready with me. Okay. Let's see. I'm getting a code from the developer. I'm getting a code from developer. Imagine that. Very good. If you are getting the code from the developer, where will be the code? GitHub or Azure repo. Basically, Microsoft encourages you to work with the Azure repo. Okay. GitHub also fine. They have an option for that, but they'll encourage you to work for the Azure repo. Okay. It depends on the organization to organization. If you talk my example, my organization taking care of the GitHub, but my previous organization will take care of Azure repo only. Whatever the code is there, they'll maintain in the Azure repo. Right. It depends on the organization to organization standard. Right. Imagine that first few days we'll go with the repo. Then I'll take you with the GitHub also. Don't worry. Okay. So let me take now you already know how to create a website. You already know how to deploy the website, but without help of DevOps. That means tool. Okay. Without help of pipeline. You're done with the help of publish profile. That is a big deal, buddy. Okay. That is all now like new thing. Okay. For you guys. Let me go to the another phase of the life. Another phase is I wanted to deploy the website with the help of pipeline. You have to understand that is a much important part here. Entire another 1 month of time, right? Or 1.5 month of the training. We will be totally doing the pipeline only, guys. Okay. Right. Understand. Very good. Now, one thing. Okay. Guys, before that, I wanted to announce one thing. Okay. I just wanted to be like, if you want to plan, you can also plan it. Actually, next month, okay, we have a holiday on 15th, right? Tuesday is a holiday, no? Right? No. So next month, actually, due to some urgent work, I have to go to my native place. Okay, but you don't worry, your class will not be disturbed. Only thing is this 11th, right? This 11th, your class will not be there. Now only if you wanted to plan, you can plan, because I want to take you before only. It's already right. You wanted to go home or something, right? So you can plan it. 11th of August and 18th of August. Class will not be there. You got the point? 11th, why? Because I'm going on 11th. 18th, why? Because I'm coming on 18th. Okay. That's the reason. 11th class would not be there. 18th class would not be there. But other days, let's see, 14, 15 anyway holiday, right? Independence Day. 14, 16, 17. Class would be there, but online. Got the point? If you wanted to go home, I'm not forcing you to go to home, okay? But in case if you have any plan, you're thinking, so you can plan accordingly. Right? No? Before only. Anyway, I'll just do it to office at your project is ready. Azure 9 a.m. project is ready, my dear friends. Okay. Now I want you to create a website, and I wanted you to deploy the website with the help of pipeline. Very good. That is simple thing I told you. Good. For that, what you need first? What is the first thing that you will do it? No. I wanted to, okay, take it some website here. Okay. So I wanted to deploy it. So for that, what I will do, what is the first thing that I have to do? First thing, very first thing, code. That's fine. But before the code, you need to have a website. Based on that website only, the developer will start writing the code, right? Okay. So you have to go and you have to create a app service. From where you create it? Portal.azure.com. Very good. Good. You have created. Good. Next thing is what you have to do? Code. Code, right? Right. Code. So code. Code, you can get it from here. Repo. What basically your developer will do? They'll go to the code, and if you go and click in here, no, this option, right? So their option is called as upload. Okay. So they have access to the Azure repo. They can upload it. Have a look here. Can you see here? Upload files. Okay. So they can either upload the files or they can go with the download zip. I mean, like, download is a different here. Download is a different. If uploaded, then you are downloading. That is a same file. You can download it. That is an upload basically. Okay. So they can either go and upload the file, or they can click on the new and they can start writing the code there itself. Got the point? So now what to do? What we have to do? We have to go ahead and we have to upload file. One way. That is simple. That we have seen in the last class also. Azure repo we have seen, right? Let's do something different this time. So that if you know, there's no point of doing the same thing once again, okay? Do you remember that I told you I would be teaching you to GitHub UI? I told you. Do you remember that? GitHub UI. What I told? I told no, when we'll discuss the portal app services, I'll teach you that time. So the day has come for that. Okay. We have to go with this option. Okay. Very good. So what I'll do, I'll try to go ahead and try to upload my file with the help of Git UI. Okay. Before that, move ahead. We have to go ahead, my dear friends. Okay. And we have to upload my file first. Okay. No, app services. So let me go quickly and try to create my app services real quick. Okay. Okay. So I'll just leave this, or shall I use for this reference for my team? I'll use this reference, leave it. Okay. Let me go back and try to click on the app services. Okay. Very good. I'll try to go and create that app services. Okay. I'll go here. I'll choose it my resource group name. Okay. I'll give the this time name as a Amazon. Okay. 198 dot as out same 198 only here. Okay. Now three things are there that you know that code is there, Docker is there, static web. Basically, static web we already done. There's no point of doing it. We'll learn this too, code and Docker. Docker we'll learn after 1 month of time, not now. Okay. So code. Code means what is the programming language they'll use. You choose it anything, that's not a big deal. Okay. Choose it. Then operating system window. You can go with Linux also if you wanted to deploy the code to that particular website. Operating system, then you will go. Reason, you know that already we have discussed. Choose the reason wherever your client is near to area. Okay, I don't have any client, so I'm making anything. Okay, that's fine. Let's come down here. Okay, let's come down here. Okay, and I'll try to go to the deployment. It's free, right? Let me go to the deployment. Now this all you can ignore it. Okay, this all you can ignore it and try to go and validate it. So it might take some 2-3 minutes of time to validate. If it is taking more than that, try to go to back, previous. Back, if you go, it will come to the first page. Okay. So you have to go to the previous and try to go and deploy. Same thing happened this time also. I think let me go back to the previous. Okay. And preview and create it once again. Done, right? Okay. So try to go and create it. So deployment is in progress. Okay, so deployment is successful now. Okay, so my code has been deployed. Let me go back and see how it is behaving. Okay, so let's go back and try to click on the go to resource. Okay, come on here and say same thing, it will be coming up. Okay, your application is up and running, you guys will be getting it. Let's see. Okay, if it's not loading correctly, try to go here and try to open somewhere else. Okay, your app is running and waiting for the content, so it is expecting me to give some code to this website. Okay, and the medium is deployment, right? That is a one game, right? Good. Now you are waiting for the developer to give the code. Here we don't have any developer, we itself are a developer, right? So we'll try to go to freecss.com. We'll try to get some code from there. Easy, that is easily available. Okay, so I think I already have some codes with me. Okay, let's see, still there with me or what? Fine, and instead of losing the time, let's go ahead and try to get it downloaded from free CSS. Okay, what code I want to deploy? What do you guys want to deploy? Tell me, buddy. Which one? Which one? This is not Chandrayaan, yes. First one. Okay, let's go with the first. Let's give your choice. Okay, so go here and try to download it. So that is there with me right away. Okay, so this is my download part. Right click here and try to extract here. Actually, you should be getting the website here. Okay, I'm like, it's not coming up. Extract files to this one. Okay, your code is here. Now my main aim to push this code to my Azure repo. Two ways. One way, upload, do it. But I'll suggest you, if you are doing that HTML code, don't upload it. Okay, send it with a GUI. I'll tell you why. I'll do it. Okay, do one thing. This is a quick assignment. Not now. No, this is not assignment for the day. This will be the assignment for the Monday. Okay, understand what is assignment. I'm telling one way to deploy it with the help of Git GUI. One way. Okay, you have to do another way that I'll be telling you on the Monday. This is not assignment for the day because you have to do publish profile also, right? Let's stop this assignment, hold this assignment for Monday. Okay, you have to upload this file and I'll be doing with the GitHub. Sorry, Git UI. Okay, what is the difference? You'll come to know. Okay, after doing the assignment, only you guys will tell me what is the difference. Okay, let me first go with the Git GUI first. Okay, good. So I wanted to upload this file with the help of Git UI to Azure repo only. Okay, how to do it? Please have a look minutely. Everyone, don't miss even a single step. Okay, you have to look it very clearly. Please understand that. Okay, have a look. What to do? You have to go to your home page. No, you have to go to your where? You have to go to a DevOps page. Okay, I'm in the DevOps page now. Okay, and this is your repo. Okay, I don't have anything with me or Terraform. How come Terraform is coming here? 9 AM batch. 9 AM, right? I did not teach you a Terraform, right? Okay, that's fine. Let me make it a new. Let me make it as a latest. Okay. Let's make it as a something Amazon. Okay. Amazon repo. Alright, I'm over here now. Okay. So I wanted to upload my files here. Clear? Good. What should I do? There is a button called clone button. Can you observe it here? Clone. Tell me the meaning of clone now. Copy. What copy? What? Yes. Clone means you get a copy of what you wanted to clone to somewhere else. So if I click on the clone, these all file will come. What all file? Only one file. What is that? Readme file will copy somewhere. I don't know where. I want to do it. That I want to do. You understand the meaning of the clone? Clone means you wanted to get a copy of something. If I click on it, I'll get a copy of this guy. If it is a 10 file, 10 file will come. If it is 5 file, 5 file will come. Clear, dear? All clear now? Good. Now, how to go with the Git UI? That you have to understand. Very good. Guys, everyone, you have to go to the one drive, local drive. Okay, you have to go to, it's not compulsory to go whatever I'm telling you. You can go anywhere also, but it's always good to go with a C drive. Okay, go to your C drive and you have to make one option called projects. Okay, what you have to do, buddy? Projects. So if you click on the projects, okay, you'll have a list of projects. Actually, it should come. Okay, you have a list of project. It should come. Let's see. Okay, I made it this project here. Okay, now let's go here. I don't do anything here. I'll leave it here only. I wanted to create my Amazon project here. Okay, right? If you have worked with the Selenium, Java, or anywhere, basically local, it should you guys should have it one local folder of the project where that code should be in your local also. In case if you want to upload to the GitHub, in case if you wanted to share it with your friend, okay, in case if you want to do some alter, you can make it here itself, not to the portal. Okay, so you should have one project with you here. Okay, now what I want you to do, buddy, I want you to create a project called here Azure Repo something project. I wanted to do it for you. I'll make a Azure Repo bit later. Okay, leave it. So I wanted to clone the project that is there in my Amazon repo to here. So if I clone it, what will happen? A copy of master main file will come, readme file will come. Very good. Later what I'll do, I'll paste my file that I have downloaded from my free CSS to here. Are you getting it what I'm trying to do? I'll clone my project that is already there from here just to get a path. So a copy of that file will come to my here, this location. Yes or no? Very good. Now later whatever the code I have downloaded from the free CSS, okay, whatever it would be, I'll paste my code here. So what will happen if I paste my code? Nothing will happen. It will be here only because it's just pasting. Then with the help of Git UI, I'll push the code. What's the point? If I'll push the code, what will happen? From where it is cloned, it will go and sit there now. Are you getting my point? Let's see, I'm coming from Yeragada. Okay. If I'm not keeping well, okay, what you will do? You'll push it to my home only, right? You'll not take you to your home. Yes or no? Right? Yes or no, dear? Hospital is another thing, money. Okay. But home only, right? That is a safe place, right, for me. So the same thing. So from where you are cloning it, you are pushing to the same place. And that push we are trying to do with the help of Git UI. I'm not using the Git command. Git command already you have done it. Okay, this is the Git UI. All good, right? So far everyone is happy. I'm like, you are good with step, right? Whatever I'm trying to explain you. Yes or no, guys? Online guys, tell me like whether you understand my concept, what I'm trying to deliver now or not. If no, I'll repeat once again. Anyone? Okay. No, Ramesh, no. Okay, I'll explain you. Don't worry. Anyone? No. One more, please. Perfect, sec. Anyone? Okay, you want to copy from download? Yes. Anyone else? Okay, understand what is my logic here. Understand. I wanted to clone my project that is there in my repo. I clone it means a copy of file come to here. Your project it will come, right? A copy of code came. Then understand, buddy. Let's say you are going to your like relative home. You're taking bag of sweet, okay? You're taking a bag of sweet, no? Box of sweet, okay? You're going. While returning back, some extra thing will come to you. If you're younger, they'll give money also. My side, the people used to give, okay? So they'll get extra thing, no? While coming, okay? Same thing here. Clear, nobody? Okay, so I'll do the same thing, guys, okay? So what to do? You have to click right click. You want to commit here, right? This location. So right click and open as a Git UI here. Like how in the previous class we created the folder, no? This is my folder. Clear here? Okay. So what it says? Create a new repository, a clone existing. Already I have it existing, right? Yes, my dear friend. Clone existing. Clear here? Every one of you. Very good. So what it is saying that? Source location. So what would be the source? What would be the source for the cloning, dear? Source is always where I have something. Source is always where I have something. So whereas I have the code. I wanted to clone the project, right? Azure repo. That clone. Yes. Go back there. Go back here. Select clone it. Copy a clone, okay? So you have to copy this guy. Got the point? Yes or no? Copy it. Close it. Right? Okay, no? Right? Good. So let me come here now. So you have to give this. That is a source. That means you are cloning from there to here. Very good. Where? You have to give the location. Where location? So current location, right? So you can go back and how to find? Okay, go back here. Okay, browse it. Come there. What happened to you? Don't play again like yesterday. Or you can copy that path. Huh. I should do that, but no, it's started. I should have done that only. Come on, buddy. I'll quit it here. Not sure. Okay, so I'll go back here once again, okay? No, this is a bash. Let me close this in order to confuse, okay? Go back here. Where to go? Here, right? Right click. Git UI. Okay. Try to clone existing project. This is already I am having it, right? Now this one, no, I will not take a risk this time. I'll copy this link, right? Okay, no. I wanted to keep it here. That's why. Copy this and take you to back to here. Okay. Now change the path here. This is like no, and I'll go back. I'll try to create one new file called what should I use? Let's make it that Amazon 198 just for your reference. Okay, Amazon 198 I did it. Okay, and I'll clone it. So what will happen? A copy of that file will come to here. Okay, this folder. Okay, if that is not, I'll tell you how. You have to answer me. Let it get complete, okay? I'll not giving, so it will come here only. Inside, it will not come inside the folder, it will come here only. Blank, like no, something, readme file, it will come like here only. Got the point? Okay, so it's coming here, okay? Can you see it is coming up? Okay, if you go and wanted to see inside. All is good so far? Yes or no, buddy? Okay, we copy and paste where it will be saved in the cloud. Yes, dear, it is saved to the cloud only. I'm on the which topic? This topic. So let's try to answer this, buddy. Everyone first. There is in Azure, it's an empty directory. Empty directory. Where is the empty, buddy? It's not empty here. It is here, buddy. Readme file is there, no? Then how it is empty, my dear friend? It's empty, right? No, it's file is there, right? Now what to do? Understand? Yes. Let's come here, okay? This is your, through which this I'll try to push my file, okay? Right now I will not do anything. I'll come to here. This is my file, right? Yes, you're right, Wasim. It's over here now. Good? Very good. Now, whatever the file I have downloaded, from there, I'll paste it here. I'll keep it to my project and then I'll push it. Got it? Good. So let me take view to here, and this is the file, no? This is the file, right? So I'll try to copy the file or cut the file and paste to which location, buddy? Where is that? Project, no? C drive. Yes, buddy. Projects 98. Yes, I'll paste it here. Okay. So now here, this is only the content is available to my local. I haven't pushed it. If I'll push, then only it'll go and change there. Now tell me one thing. Before pushing, what to do? Before pushing the file to your local, from local to your, someone asked the question in last class. I forgot who asked me, but someone has asked me. I think you already asked it, right? I remember that. Okay. Yes. You are going from local to UI, no? So you don't have to make it anything. You have to just go to first stage, commit, then push. If you're going from your remote to here, nothing to do, just pull. Right now? Good. So what to do here, my dear friends? Okay. What to do my friends? I'll go back to here right now. Okay. This is your local one. I'm like master, not local, the master of your repo. This is connected to repo now. Okay. So this is your blank now. Nothing is there. This guy don't know whether we have something or not. So we have to rescan it. Rescan means check the status now. See the lots of file it came. This file is nothing. The code that is there in my projects Amazon 198. That is inside that. Clear, every one of you? Very good. What is the next thing that I have to do? I have to do commit. Stays. So we have option stays. Add git add dot. You are doing no. You are doing with the command. You have to do with the UI now. So you have to just click it. Okay, right here. So just can I give it? If you click it here, these are all file come to, and it says the will commit. If I'll commit now, nothing will commit. Nothing is there in the GitHub. It stays, right? So we'll make it to stays change. 38 files are there here. Okay. Continue. No need to go anything. Just continue. Okay. Got it? Next is, if you don't want to go sign up this, stop it here only. Or you wanted to push, before push, we have to commit. We have to save it, right? Commit. Okay. It says me to give a commit message. Do you want to commit message is mandatory again? Okay. So I gave it, commit it. Then after committed, commit ID has been generated. Okay. Then after that, what to do? Push. If I'll push it, what will happen? It'll go to remote. Where? Now remote. What is my remote? Azure Repo. Azure Repo. We have connected with Azure Repo, right? So this is my report. Clear, dear, every one of you, right? No? Very good. Let me come to push and go to the push. Okay, it's success, right? So here, no success. Okay, let's close it. Let's close it. Can I go quickly to my Azure portal? Now, nothing has come. What happened? Refresh it, no? Okay, good. So refresh it. But again, it's nothing is coming. It has come to master. All the update and I'll told you, no, from local to there, it will go to the master branch. If you want, create a pull request, buddy. Very good. So you want to get it here, you have to create a pull. There is no use. If you want, you can do it. Choice is yours. I don't want that. I'll make the use of my master only. Clear? So go back to your master. Can you see? All the file has come now. And whatever the commit ID you guys have given here, okay? Do you remember that? Commit, I gave this commit, no, FSD. That commit ID is coming here. Clear, no? At what time that all and all, you'll click on this, you'll get the details. Now, tell me. That's no problem. Here, this is a commit message. Okay, what I gave it. So, buddy, this is something how you wanted to deploy. You send the file from your. Usually, developer will send a file in this way. Usually, right now, every work has gone to GitHub directly. But if some companies looking for the Git UI, Azure repo, they'll go with this way. Clear here? So please make a good habit. I know first time you guys will get confused. I'm pretty sure you guys will get confused. So try to practice, then only you can remove this thing. Okay. What happened? Tell me, dear. Any doubt? No? All good, no? So don't be happy. Don't be happy now. We have many more things to come. Okay. This is just code, we got it. Now we have many blockers actually. Okay. The blockers are actually, we have to go ahead and we have to create a public user commit specific file using the GUI. Is it possible to commit specific files using the, yes, whatever file you want, you take it to that only. Okay. Others you can delete it from your list is there, no? You can delete it. But this is an entire application. If you delete something, your application will not run. Okay, dear. Tell me anybody. Okay, good. Now, dear, understand. So your code is there with you now. What is the next thing that you have to do? What is the next part that you have to do, dear? Pipeline, right? Build pipeline, artifact and release pipeline. That you have to do it. Very good. So where you will perform the build pipeline activity? In Azure DevOps pipeline only. Very good. Good. But before that, you have to know one thing, What is that? Understand? Yes. So you are trying to build a pipeline. That means you are trying to compile your code, whatever it is coming up. Okay. Step by step. And you'll get an artifact. Clear, dear? You'll get an artifact. But how your build pipeline will load? Okay. This code is there with you. But how? Tell me whether I have done anything in this so that this will understand that I have to deploy this code to Amazon 198 only. Did I did this anything? So because this is a separate portal, that is a separate portal. Yes or no? There's no connection between these two guys. I have done any connection? I haven't done it. Yes or no, guys? I haven't done it. So on what basis if you'll do the build pipeline, how it will come to know you wanted to deploy the code to Amazon 198 or Flipkart 198 or XYZ 198? It will not come to know, right? So we have an option. It will ask you what file you want to do. So there is a way to connect your file that is called as a buddy service connection. That is important point. Okay. What's the time? We have time. We'll do it. So there is a way to connect your portal account and DevOps account. That let's see, this is a portal. This is a DevOps account. Portal account. You have a way to connect each other. That is called as a service connection. Guys, understand? We have a two path. Okay. Middle there is a water or some river is there. You cannot go that side or they cannot come this side. So what to do? Create a bridge, no? Right? Right? No. So that is your service connection, not pipeline. Bridge. Service connection, flyover, whatever you want to create it, bridge, right? That is your service connection, dear. Understand it? You have to very perfect in the service connection. I will be asking multiple questions in the future. Please understand. You have to say that. What the point? Connecting with, okay, understand. Let me take it another example. You guys know me before? Anyone? I don't think no one knew me, okay? I'm very sure. Even I don't know you guys, okay? So who is the service connection first? Same. We have to create a service connection again between this DevOps guys and portal account, right, buddy? Okay, very good. So let's go ahead and create our first service connection. Now understand, my dear friend, service connection is always applicable on your project, not on the organization. Got it? Service connection is always applicable to your project. Got it, no? Okay, so let me go ahead and do the service connection first, okay? Let me do it here. Okay, so this is your project, buddy, right? No? As on 9 AM 23. Okay, so we have one setting call here, left hand side. And you can see this button. Take. Okay, this is your setting. Click there. And you have the option call. Clear here, you got the point. How to go? Go to setting, go to your home page, Go to setting and try to click on your service connection. Wonderful. Okay. Can you see here? You don't have any service connection now with you because this is my new project, right? I haven't done anything, right? Very good. So that is called just create service. Shall I do it? We have a time of 10 minutes now. Okay, I'll do it, buddy, straight away. Have a look. I have a steps for this also. I'll give it to you. Don't worry. Now we have a different way to connect it. Okay. It says to whom you wanted to connect, my dear friend. Okay. We have multiple. You wanted to connect with the AWS. You wanted to connect with Azure Classic, Azure Repo, Resource Manager, Cargo, Safe. Different things are there. So here, if you wanted to connect to portal, you have to go with Azure Resource Manager, ARM. Okay. Always. You have to go with the ARM. Very good. Now after that, we have a two option, whether you want to go with automatic or manual. Understand here, automatic, why I'm not choosing it. If you wanted to deploy any automation project, in that case, automatically it will create. Whenever it try to build pipeline, it will create a new connection. So instead of that, to avoid that, we are going with the manual. Okay, we are going with manual. Okay, click on this. Next. Now this thing you have to understand very keenly. Okay, understand. There's the chances are there you guys get confused. Okay. So I already have done it for you. Okay, the steps is already there, it seems. No. Oh, I haven't copied it. Okay, I'll do it. Don't worry. I have that steps. I'll give it to you. Okay. See. So what is the thing you have to do it? Very first thing you have to select from here. You are trying to connect to whom? Cloud only. Cloud means portal, right? Good. Through which? Subscription. There is a only medium to connect with the portal, that is called a subscription here. Okay. So subscription. What is your subscription ID? What is your subscription ID? How do you get it? From where do you get it? From DevOps account? Portal. Whatever the information you need in the portal, you'll get it from DevOps. Whatever the information you need in the DevOps, you'll get it from portal. Right here. So you have to go to portal. Very good, my dear friends. Okay. Good job. Okay. Let's come to our portal. Okay. I'll take this out. Now let me first open and out. Make it out. Portal. I'll go to my portal account. So your subscription ID and all you'll get in your subscription field. Okay. So you have a subscription here with you. Try to click on it. Try to click on it, and this is your. Yes, buddy. You need that. Okay. So you just click on it. After clicking, you'll get it something here. Subscription ID. Can you see? And the beauty of the Azure is everything that they want that you will use in the future, they have enabled the clipboard there for saving. Copy. So you go there. You need this in the future. Copy. You need this in the future. Copy. You need in this future. Copy. Everything they have enabled. In case you don't have to copy and paste it and all, just click on the copy, that will get copied. Clear? That is the beauty of Azure. Okay. Fine. Let's try to click on here. Copied. Now come back here and try to paste it. All clear so far? Subscription ID you have given it, right? Very good. Now what it is asking? Name. Where I can find out? Same place. Same place. So we do have something? Very good, right? Good. Next is subscription name, right? Paste it. Very good, right? For you, it will be getting free trial. For your part, you will be getting as a free trial subscription. Here will come. Okay. Very good. Come down. Now, these three guys, it is important for you to understand. Okay. Service principal ID, service principal key, and tenant ID. How to get it? Actually, you guys can get this service principal ID and all from the portal account only, but there is an option called app registration. What is that? App registration. Okay. App registration. Where you'll get it? You'll get it into that portal account. This is a portal account, no? In the portal account, okay, if you go back to home page, portal account, if you go to home page, there is an option called Azure Active Directory. What is that? Azure Active Directory. Basically, Azure Active Directory will take care of all the setting actually. This is a kind of admin. Okay. So just type it as Azure Active Directory. Okay. Go back here, and the left hand side will get as a app registration. Basically, what is app registration? I'll tell you. You are trying to register your system with a new application with the in front of Azure Active Directory. Got it? That is you are trying to do. So let's click on the app registrations. Do I have any app right now with this project? No, nothing. It's blank. Okay. So what to do? New registration. Very good here. So usually name you can give it anything. Sita, Gita, Mita, what your name is. Okay, you can give it. But I'll suggest you always give the app registration with your project name. And you have to remember that because you have to give the permission also. Okay. So what is my project name, my dear friends? Azure 9 AM July 23. Okay. Azure 9 smaller capital here. Capital. Okay. It's not mandatory, buddy. Okay. Don't take it as like no mandatory one. It's not mandatory. You can give anything. Whatever doing, you should remember that. That's it. Okay. So I used to give this my project name. Let me go to register. After successful registration, some detail will enable to your screen. Okay. Now let me first go back to here. Can you see what is that coming up? And service principal key. No. Let me come up. No, I'll tell you a bit later. What is that? ID. And below that, can you see something? Client ID. Service principal ID is your client ID. You'll have a client ID. Where is the client ID? Can you just guess it? Where, dear?
Display.
Application ID is there, right? So this is, so try to copy that. Perfect. Okay. So shall I go and give this? Right here? Very good. Can you find out tenant ID somewhere? It is there in that page only.
Below principal ID.
Directory tenant ID. Okay. So get this one. Got the point, buddy? Very good. Can I come down to the tenant ID? Still one guy is missing. Okay. That is called as a service principal key. Okay. And there is option for just hint. There is a term called as a certificate. Certificate. Okay. That you cannot get the certificate here, dear. You have option on the left hand side. Just for hint, I am telling, buddy. In case if you are forgetting, future, you go to home, you will do it. No. So hint, I am telling. What is that? Tenant will get it. This will get it, client. But for hint, service principal key is there, right? So kinda you will get a below you will get an option called certificate here. Okay. So you'll have that certificate option, right? So just click on as a certificate. So if you go back to here, you'll get it as a certificate. So you have to generate the certificate. Got it? Okay, now guys, everyone, let's click on it. If click on it, this is, I don't have any certificate now. So I have to generate new secret certificate. Click on it. Done, dear? Done, no? Now generate it. Give some any name. You can give your project name also. It's not a problem. Okay, you can give the project name and add it. If you add it, no, guys, this is only one time activity. First time only it will enable this option. Later when you copy and close this, no, you cannot see that. You cannot see this value. Got the point? I'll show you also. You cannot see that. If you want again, you have to regenerate it again. Okay. So let me copy it. I'll copy it. I'll take you back again. Can you see? Okay. This is the page right now. It is there. No, I'll go out of this page. It'll stop it. Okay. So let me go back and copy here. Got the point? That's it, right? Everything done? Now service principal, service connection, name. Give the name as a Azure. Okay, Naveen. Portal account mine, Naveen. Azure 9 AM. Pardon me. Okay, yes. Azure 9 AM. Okay. And portal. 2 portal. Got the point? Just remember that. Azure 9 AM to portal. This is just remember that. Okay, this project it is. Optional. This is optional. So it says that grant access to pipeline, all pipeline. You are giving the permission. Yes. And try to do it, nobody, but it will not work out. You know, there's an option you are missing. Can you observe? What is that? Yes. Verify. Verify. It will get fail. Okay. Why are you getting fail? I want to keep this question mark on your head. Go home. Try it. I'll give you a solution tomorrow. Okay. Let's click on the verify. Don't verify. Okay. Fail. Right? Verification fail. That will fail. I want you to practice this and make it fail. Don't search the solution, okay? No need to go and search the solution, buddy. I'll take care of the solution tomorrow class. Got it? Because you have already one work. That's why I'm not giving extra work to you. Tell me. Where is the credentials? Oh, this option. Okay. Have a look. If you go with this, no. You have to go with the different options, buddy. You have to get the certificate and then you try out. That you'll not get with the verify options. Okay. That's not. This will go for the service principal key only. Okay. Now, that gone. Certificate gone. No worries. You got the point now how to do it, right? Do it. Okay. Why I'm not telling it again now? Okay. Because you have a published profile. My target is to complete that first assignment. Then try this. You'll get fail. Okay. Then I'll tell you why you are getting fail. Got the point? No need to find a solution. This is not your assignment. Don't stress too much. What are the tasks you can complete that? That's it. Clear, dear? Any doubt? Anyway, I'm gonna give the notes to you, okay, so that you can practice at least. So this connection, no? Yes, buddy, have a look now. This is the link with you, okay? Okay, this is already given to you yesterday, right? I gave today, no? Okay, let me give this to you today. Now again. This one, okay? Service connection. All the steps are very clear. Let me delete this step. One step I have to delete it here. What is that? No, why to delete it? Actually, this solution is here. Okay, this is a complete solution. If you want, try it. Okay, solution is here. What to do, my dear friend? You have to go to free subscription. You have to go to IAM and you have to give the contributor role and you have to choose the app pressure. You want me to do it now? You'll get confused or what? Let me do it tomorrow, Monday. No, Monday it's a long weekend. No, Saturday, Sunday. You have to do then. Okay, let's do it. If it is not Monday, I would not have given you, buddy. Don't worry, but I'll do it now. So the 2 days you have now, you need to have a 2 assignment. Okay, it's getting fail, right? Service principal key is there with you, right? Service principal key is there. Where is that, buddy? Where is there? Where is that certificate? Let me come back. Where it is? Okay, this page, no? It is here. Copy it, no? Luckily it is open only. Okay. So let me come back to. Where is that here? Portal account here, right? So this is now, right? Now it is getting fail, right? Verify. Fail. No? Okay, fail. How to pass it here? Actually, you have to give a permission. You have to give a permission that you will be working as a contributor. Okay. For that, there is a term called free subscription. There is an option called IAM. That is called as a identity and access management. Who will take care of giving access to any application? Okay, where it is? It is over here. Go back here. Where is your subscription? Here, okay? Then in subscription, you go open that. You'll find a term. Can you see anything anywhere as a IAM? Right, access control. Basically, the full form is identity and access management. No control, management. This is the same term in the AWS also. AWS also we have a IAM. Okay, go back, my dear friend. Okay, go back there and you have to give the permission. So you have to give the permission. You have option called, can you see here? Grant access to the resource. Okay, click on role assignment. Give the assignment. Okay, What assignment you want you to keep? You have to give the contributor role. How's that? Contributor. So you'll get a contributor here. Where? Privilege, administration, role. Click on it. Can you see contributor? So you can give 3 type of role, buddy. Honor, contributor, and what is called as a access review. But we'll go with the if you'll become the honor, you'll delete everything. No, some other part. So don't go with the honor. You go with the contributor. That means you can support me. You can work with me. That is a contributor. Okay. So you are giving the contributor. To whom you are giving it? What happened? Okay, next. To whom you are giving it? You are giving the contributor role to app registration. To whom? App registration. And tell me, what is your app registration name? As over 9 a.m. you created, no? That you have to give it. Okay, very good. So can you type it here? That's why I told you have to remember that. As over 9 a.m. Is there? Okay, it is there, no? Okay, I have to play up 1 minute. Now click on the select. What to do? Select here. Very good. Click on the select. Now after doing the select, what is that? Review and assign it. So you are giving that option to hey, you go and click on the you are a contributor now. You can work with Azure now. Okay. So let me give the assign it. So you see that you are getting the option adding role assignment as a contributor for the Naveen Pay As You Go. Okay. Guys, sorry for the extending 5 minutes of time. Please pardon me. Okay. Right, it's there, no? Good, buddy? Okay, if it is there, my dear friends, let me go back to the now page and let's try to verify, okay? So it should be verified successfully, it will come. Verification succeeded, something you'll get it. Okay, got it? So that is error. You guys got it? You don't have to worry at all. I have mentioned the steps, okay? Just refer the steps and perform it. Okay, so what to do, what you'll do, you'll try to click on verify and save it. Very good, buddy. Very good. Let it save. Come on. Let it save. Right. It's saved, right? Now let me give you that steps to you. These are the steps, no? Can you see? Everything is clear, crystal clear, right? Left hand panel, new service connection, ARM, manual, go to subscription ID, get the free ID, get the subscription name. How to get a service principal ID? Go to AD. I'll give mention here more clear. Portal, right? Go to AD means Azure, that you can understand here, okay? AD, app registration, create a new app registration, you'll get a client ID. You go to tenant ID, go to left hand side, certificate and segregate, choose the certificate and segregate, paste it. Go to free subscription, IAM, contributor role, you'll get it. Verify the succeeded, give the service connection name and done. Okay, so I'm gonna give this to your notes. Okay, we have to create a service no Susma, no understand, service connection you will get deleted only you are deleting the project. There is no relation between the app services. Have I said anything with the app service name something? There is no connection at all. Service connection is to connect your portal account and DevOps. There is nothing with related to function app services, nothing. I haven't discussed anything. We'll discuss in the next class, Monday class. Okay? Fine. Let me give this to your guys. I'm getting late. Okay. I'll drop it straight away, guys. Hold on, no?
How many minutes in it? After this one.
One more thing, guys. Next Wednesday onwards, we are going to start a new batch from morning 7:30 to 9 a.m. If your friends and relatives, if you like our session and course, you can refer them. Okay, it's going to start from 7:30 to 9. And if someone has missed the demo also, you can attend it. Okay, from coming Wednesday, I think 26th or guess someone 26th. Okay,
నేనేనా ఏం కాదు వెనకాల వేసుకో ఇది వేసుకో వైట్ పేపరా